Hi guys, I am live again. Sorry about that. I'm so sorry. Hope you can hear me now. Welcome, Tiago. Hope you guys can hear me now. Oh, sorry about that. I didn't know. Thank God I checked the chat. Let's just give 2 minutes for people to join. So yeah, CM, that's the more reason why you have to be active here when we are live. Because your notification on WhatsApp would have prompted me. But I had to go to the comment section while I finished an episode to see that. So Tiago, welcome, community manager. Okay, can you see my screen now, please? Let me know if you can see my screen now. Um, if you can see my screen, it kindly indicate. We just have few minutes. I think okay, we still have roughly 50 more minutes for its live. Great, thank you for that. So let me go back to GitHub. So I was saying, and I was teaching you how to push your work to Git. Let me quickly clear this terminal. Let me clear this terminal and show you again. I guess that was what I was doing before the live froze. So let me quickly add one more item here. Let's create another h1 tag. So this h1 tag here, let me quickly save it. I'm gonna be showing you again, demonstrating to you how to push to Git. But if you were following me, you if the live was not frozen when I was talking about when I was showing you the files we have on Git, that we only have 2 files on Git. But when I pushed the first time, it now brought our index.html and our style.css. Okay, so let me create another file. You know what we have here now is just 4 files. We have the index.html, the readme, the style.js, the git ignore. Let me quickly add. Let me add a JS file and push, so you guys will see that the file was added on Git. So it is called, let's call it script.js. So this is a new file, okay? Let us push again. Let's push again. So what I did was, before you push, right? First of all, do git git add dot. Git add dot means git add all. Click on enter. Then you commit your change. It's called committing your changes. If then we do git commit dash we call it our second commit. Or let's just call it yeah, let's say what we did. We created a, let's give it a descriptive um demonstration. Okay, let's say created script script file as our description, because it is very good to give your comment a good description. I want to teach you how to do that now, so you not just follow my lead where I'm doing first commit, second commit. You're going to learn it that way, but it is better you give it a descriptive commit, because when your code reviewer or when your boss or whatever, whoever is going to check your code in future, when they come, you're going to understand what you're doing from your commit. Okay, so click on enter. As you can see now, I just said two files changed. That means we added two files. I added one file, but I made a change on one file, which is the HTML file. So now that I have committed, let us push. I said on the previous video before we got stuck or we got frozen that if you leave your commit, or better still, if you leave this process like this, it will not appear on your git. I can go and show you now. When you come to git, let me refresh. You will see that there is nothing here yet. It's just still the four files we have, but it only appears, or better still, it only goes to the cloud when you push. So we're going to push it now. There are other ways to push, but I'm teaching you this way because yes, this way is one of the easiest ways. When you write git push, you click on enter. See, your file has been pushed. It said 100% done. Okay, so let's go back to the browser and refresh. So as you can see now, our script.js has been added. Okay, and you see what it told you, it showed here. It showed what we wrote as our commit, created script file. Yes, so when you click on this, you will see go. Okay, look at it here. So I hope you understand it now. Okay, do you have any question, guys? Let me know if you are on the same page with me here. Let me know if you're on the same page with me here. I hope you're not encountering any issue. Okay, great. So this is how it is done. This is how to create a git and push. After you've done all this, on the final submission for the Solana Developer Challenge, which is going to be on the 25th. But I encourage you to submit before 25th. Submit on the 24th. Yeah, better that way. So you won't miss. So when you want to submit, this is the link you will copy right here. The link on the search bar is what you will copy and submit. So let me quickly show you how to go about submitting, or better still registering for the Solana Developer Challenge. This is the dashboard. I am already connected, I am already registered, but I will quickly go to an incognito mode again, just like I did when I was demonstrating how to create a new GitHub account when Daniel was saying he was having an issue. I'm going to paste the link right here and teach you how to register. Like I said, this is your take home assignment for this week. You don't need to go on Twitter, or better still, you can always go on Twitter to say to quote that you're writing you participated on the Solana Developer Challenge. Don't worry, the community manager is going to tell you what you're going to do when you're done with the challenge. So come here, right here where they said participate. Click on it. Before I click on participate, let me go back. These are resources that's going to help you on building your project. These are the resources that's going to help you. So the community manager has shared an article on blockchain before. I hope you went through it. We've also done the HTML and the JavaScript part. Today was supposed to be an introduction to the React, but I guess we are running out of time. But even though we don't do it today, we will do it on Tuesday. We will officially start our React class on Tuesday. But this challenge is very important. That's what I'm putting it out here. So it's part of the bootcamp. So click on participate now. When you click on participate now, you are going to see where to sign in. But since you don't already have an account, you log in. So I'm going to be logging in. I'm going to be providing an email address. Let me still use the email address that I use for my GitHub, because this email address popping up here is the one I used initially to sign up. Okay, because when I sign up with it, it's going to flag me that I already have an account. So create a password. Let's give it a password. Confirm your password. Okay. Then click on the box there which says yes, I understand and I agree with Tech Fiesta. Log in. Log in to participate. So they just told me that I should check my email for the next step. They just sent me an email. But I guess I'm going to go back and check my email here. Let me close this tab. Let me quickly check my email here. I think it'll be better. Let's go to this email right here. And let's check it. So they're going to send a notification to your email. You can see I've got a new email here to verify. I'm going to be clicking on verify my email. And voila, it brings us to this dashboard. When you're on this dashboard, you're going to see they have a whole lot of upcoming events. And since we are partnering with them, we are going to be sharing these events to you in no time. Some of these events are still in review. The one that is active now is the Solana Developer Challenge. And it says build your first Solana project. So that shows you that the project mustn't be gigantic. Okay? It is your first introduction project to Solana. So let's start hacking. Okay? Click on start hacking and it will bring you to this interface. On this interface, the resources, all resources are still here. These are the prizes. The first prize, the second prize, the third prize. And mind you, our community will be also giving prizes to those who participated. Okay, so connect your wallet. So these are the list of wallets. I don't know, we have to create another video, or better still, you can always go online. The YouTube and the Google should be your best friend when you're learning how to code. Okay, so you can go online and check how to create a MetaMask wallet. I already have a MetaMask wallet here, as you can see where my cursor is. I have a MetaMask wallet, even though it's been long I signed into it. But I'm going to be choosing. They said you can either choose between MetaMask, Coinbase wallet, or Wallet Connect. So I'm going to be choosing MetaMask because that is what I have. And see, it is prompting me to my MetaMask, even though I don't remember. I'm not sure I still remember my MetaMask password. But guys, I'm not going to be logging in. I just want to show you guys. Oh my god. I wish I can remember my MetaMask wallet now. My MetaMask password. Let me try. Oh my god. That's too bad. I can't remember my MetaMask wallet. I have two MetaMasks. This is my test MetaMask. I use this to test whenever I am doing something like this. But my main MetaMask that has all my, should I do a forget me password? It will ask me for my secret phrase. And neither do I even have that too. So guys, follow the steps I told you. Go online, try and get a MetaMask. Try and get a MetaMask. When you sign up, you follow the step through. So it will prompt you, I guess after you sign up to your MetaMask, it will now give you a prompting on where you should submit your GitHub link. Okay? After signing up to MetaMask, I think that's going to be the next step. But I'm going to rectify my MetaMask. I'm going to get the link to my MetaMask and then come back to show you maybe in our next class. Okay? The due date is on the 25th, but I encourage you to submit on the 24th. Okay? Because anything can go wrong. Submit on the 24th. Submit your GitHub link on the 24th. So, without wasting any much time, even though our time is far spent, this is it. This is the take home assignment. This is the challenge for this bootcamp. One of the challenges for this bootcamp. Make sure you do it. It was supposed to come after the bootcamp, but the date was fixed on the 25th. So you need to do it in the bootcamp. That is why I am not going to be giving you any take home assignment today. And also, the back end instructor will not be giving you any take home assignment for this week. So you will take your time this week and do it. This is the 20th. You have just 4 days to quickly come up with something. Take today, take tomorrow, and submit. If you have any challenge while you're submitting, or maybe you don't see where you submit your GitHub link, tell us on the comments on the group. We will let you know how to go about that, or we'll do a video on teach you. Okay, so let's go into our front end for today. You learned a lot today, even though we're not learning, even though it's not React, you've learned a lot this period, just now. So our React, we are going to be playing a video for our React, okay? I want you to learn from the best. I want you to learn from my mentor, okay? I could create a slide and start teaching you, but I just preferred and I just wanted you to learn directly from my mentor. So stay tuned while I play this video and let me know if you encounter any issue. Maybe you're not hearing what the video is saying. Quickly prompt on the chat session. But if you have any question now about this Solana Developer Challenge, kindly send it to the WhatsApp group, okay? And also, I would like to know if you are still with me. So, guys, indicate on the chat session that you are ready to jump into React.js, which is the framework of JavaScript. And that is what you're going to be using for our front end development. Okay, remember, we came from HTML and CSS, we came from JavaScript, and now we are on the main framework, which is React.js. Most developers or most bootcamp that I have experienced while I was on my beginner journey, most of them, when they tell you they're going to teach you about front end, they just go straight to React and then you will be confused. But since I've encountered that when I was starting my journey, I thought it's wise to start from the very first beginning, okay? And I believe that you people have grabbed enough. I believe that React won't really be strange when you're seeing HTML in React, when you're seeing JavaScript in React. You won't be really confused. Even though I know that it might not be really easy for you to grab immediately, but that is why these videos are here online. You can always go back, watch it, okay, and do well. Another thing I encourage you and I beg you is to like or subscribe to this channel. Make sure you like any of our posts anytime you come across. You can drop us a comment, okay, because this is a non-profit organization, and growing our YouTube channel is really going to help this community, okay, because we have a whole lot of things we want to do in future. We want to create a program where we'll be able to help people who don't have devices or who don't have tools to embark on the journey of their um, tech journey. Okay, people who don't have the right tools, the internet, the laptop, the devices to embark. We want to make sure we get to reach out to them, and we're going to do that with money. And if our YouTube don't get monetized, we won't be able to do that. Okay, so yeah, you can always contribute to our community. If you go to our Discord, you will see where we created a space for you to contribute. You can contribute financially, you can contribute physically, you can contribute as our volunteer, you can contribute to move this community forward. Community that made you land into software development for the first time. It's something that you can do for us, okay? So yeah, without wasting much time, we are going to use 30 minutes now to dive into React.js. And then also, we will be continuing the class in the next class we're going to be having on Tuesday. So this class is going to be short, like I told you. I know many of you might be exhausted. So let me quickly go to the course without wasting any more time. So stay tuned and let me know. Please let me know on WhatsApp if you are having any issue, because I would not like to come out from this interface that I just entered now. I would not like to go back and start checking your chat. Any problem you have, paste it on the WhatsApp, okay? Thank you. So I'm clicking on. Sorry, let me go back to the beginning. Okay, okay. I am hearing you guys are posting that you have sound issues. You can't hear him. That is another one. Okay. Okay, that's not a problem, guys. But can you see him? I'll play it again. Let me reduce the speed. Okay, guys. I am seeing a whole lot of complaints about not hearing, not hearing, not hearing. So I am going to quickly share, end this live now, and share a Zoom link. Let me do that with you guys. So let's try Zoom. If Zoom doesn't work, I promise on the next class, I will get a note and I will be the instructor myself. But I just wanted you guys to learn it from the best source, okay? Okay, someone says they can see him. I will give you, let me see if I can quickly create a Google Meet link. Let me quickly drop a Google Meet link on the group to see if you can join via Google Meet. I think Zoom will be better. Let's use Zoom. Let's use Zoom. So stay tuned with me. Just give me 5 minutes. I'm going to be sharing a link on the group right now. So please stay tuned. I know, I know you can hear him. We'll be sharing a link to you now. We are creating a new link to you now. Sharing a link that you can use. Sharing a link immediately. Let me go to Zoom and create a link to you because I don't want any time to be wasted. This React is actually very bulky. React is very bulky. And I'm dropping it on this chat. Quickly create a Zoom link. Okay, guys. Um. Okay. I'm looking for a way to share this meeting I just created. Oh my god. Let me share my meeting ID. Shows that I'm not seeing the meeting ID. I really don't want this session to be all about Solana Developer Challenge. I want you guys to, okay, 5 minutes. That is one of the best instructors you would have on the. It's one of the best instructors we have on the React. I use this course, so I thought of sharing it with you directly to hear from the horse's mouth. But if that's not going to work, I promise that our next class is going to be it's going to be instructed and taught by me. So maybe in future, if you can afford the course, you can always go for it. Okay. The problem I'm having here is to see where I can share this Zoom link with you. The link to the Zoom. That is, I already created the Zoom. Oh my God. You're already right. That's perfect. Don't worry. It's just little issues we're having here and there. Oh, I don't know why I am having issues sharing this. Hmm. Why am I having issues sharing? I can't see the link to the meeting. Let me end this meeting and create another one. This is not nice. Oh, God. Hmm. I'll be sharing a meeting ID with you shortly. Just don't know why I'm encountering all this. Hmm. Okay. I guess I just saw it. Okay, so yeah, sorry guys. Hold on. This is a meeting link. I just pasted the meeting link. I'm going to also paste it on the chat. This is my Zoom link. Let me host a meeting right away. If the link doesn't work, you can use this ID. Let me send the ID to you. Just sent it on WhatsApp now. Tiago, there's no need to cry. We are going live again. So I'm going to be ending this live now and starting with Zoom.